Here she is, the beast. My own SXT 3600 watt scooter. Just out for a spin. What a machine. 80 kph top speed, 1 or 2 wheel drive, mad range, mad performance, mad suspension, mad fun. Best toy I ever got. Serious fun. You also have slow speed setting. Here you can set it, you can go 1 or 2 wheel drive. But the thing is a beast, nothing keeps up with it. Cars, nothing. Absolutely love this scooter. Out for a nice spin. Found this little trail. So there you go. My very own SXT 3600 watt mega scooter. Available at Muck and Fun and Smileyscoot. Big range. I thought, share this, show you where you can go, what you can do with these things. Fantastic scooter. An amazing performance. So there you go. The suspension is unbelievable. Jumps, ramps, you just don't feel anything. It's like being on a hoverboard. It's a whole different experience. The speed is absolutely mind blowing. Until you've had a go on them, you just don't know. The things are sick fast.